What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today in the video we're shooting our Porsche 911 GTS 992.2 T-Hybrid versus my older Porsche 911 Carrera T with the GTS turbos in it, the twin turbo 992.1. So a lot of people have been asking me, what's the better bang for your buck? Which one should I get? So in this video, we're going to compare both of them. I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to drive this one, and Steve, my buddy who got the car, he's going to drive the Carrera T with the GTS turbos and the tune from M Engineering. So on paper, the Carrera T should have a little bit more power. So we're going to see how that power translates in this video. So this should be valuable if you're weighing your options on which one you want to get, the T-Hybrid, the new 992.2 GTS, or the 992.1 GTS. And again, mine was a Carrera T, but I put the GTS turbos on it. So it's basically a GTS because that was the only difference between the T and the GTS in 992.1 was the turbos. So I put the GTS turbos on it. So now we're going to see how that compares to the T-Hybrid with the 992.1 having a tune. So let's get right into it. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. Check this out. So coming soon to the channel will be these new leather seats I'm putting in my Ferrari F8 Tributo. Man, these are going to look sick. These came all the way from China by way of Italy. Yeah, stay tuned. Look at it. Look.
No needles in my ass.
You guys remember this? This is the Carrera T. Tech Art Carrera T. Thing is breathing. Man, that thing's sick. So a lot of people have been asking me, which do I prefer, the GTS or the Carrera T? Biggest difference out the gate is the Carrera T is 166 after options, and it was very well loaded. But this one after options was 208. So that's the biggest glaring difference, is the price difference on the GTS versus the Carrera T. Looks wise, I give looks to the Carrera T, but you know, because we did the whole Tech Art kit on it. Look at that. Oh my God. We did the Tech Art kit on it. So the thing looks phenomenal. The only thing I'm going to give to the GTS is the front end. The front end of the GTS is a little more aggressive. But with the Tech Art kit, this front end looks pretty damn good as well. But this car, man, on Instagram, this car got like 270,000 likes on Instagram and like some million views or something like that.
Wow.
Hamza.
Is the same person that the rap for this stuff?
Yeah. Ricky's nice, man. Ricky's nice.
I gotta bring it back to you when you fix the front and back bumper.
Yeah, Ricky will hook it up.
One thing I did notice though, and I know you didn't see this, Will.
Yep.
He can take the mirror off.
Oh, I told him not to. Because I didn't want, let's talk about the mods. Go ahead, tell him about the mods.
Oh yeah, now you gotta make it a little nicer.
Them wheels is fire though. Them wheels is fire.
Good looking out, my man.
I ain't gonna say nothing about the wheels. He got away with the wheels. But nah, I mean, it's just only right because the car looks right with the wheels.
I took them all off the car and I cleaned the barrels up really good.
Yeah.
Because I'm just anal that way.
Yeah.
I put the filters in the back. I got the DO88 I guess like an intercooler piping kit that's coming in. And I got the DO88 plenum that's coming in.
That's supposed to help with breathing and everything?
Yeah, so actually, those two mods right there, you pick up like another 50 horsepower.
Okay.
And then from there, I'm going to do the intercooler. I was just telling Courtney right now. And I'm going to do the methanol kit. That should max out this platform to about 730 horsepower.
Oh, you're doing the meth kit?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you going all the way?
Oh, yeah.
Going all the way. So you're trying to
I gotta come for.
Yeah, I'll get ready to say. But his car is the muse for this, with the Tech Art kit. Courtney's Turbo S had the Tech Art kit on it and everything. And I was like, okay, let me see if I can do the Tech Art kit on this thing. And now Steve's taking it to the next level.
Oh no, for sure, we're gonna turn it up. That's for sure.
So I'm gonna be the slow 911 with my GT3. But I'm selling that one over there eventually. But man, that wrap is so fucking nasty. So so Steve's gonna take care of it. We'll still be seeing this car around. This car is nasty. That thing is so nasty. You guys want to know the person that did this wrap for me? His name is Ricky with RSX Studios.
Oh, I got the carbon mirrors too coming on.
Oh, carbon mirror. Okay.
The mirrors. I'm surprised you didn't do it from day one though. I'm versatile.
Because I just didn't have any other carbon on the outside.
Oh, okay. They make this spoiler too in carbon. I found it.
You found it? You found it?
Exact one.
How much is it? It's probably expensive.
$1,800.
That's not too bad.
bad.
No, it's not too bad.
No. But it looks just like this, same exact spoiler, but it's carbon.
That's the aero kit, the factory aero kit.
If you look at that one, same thing.
Man, look at that. The wheel gap is perfect.
Could be a little bit more aggressive.
Little more aggressive?
More aggressive.
It's adjustable.
Because Courtney's car is like tucked in.
Yeah.
You can't put your fingernail between that. So you can get a little bit more on this one. A little bit more.
Yeah.
You probably go, what tire trim is back in yours, Courtney?
That's the same tires. It's the same. Yeah.
Same tire size?
I copied his setup.
You have a wider rim then.
Yeah. Yeah. I went so slightly. I didn't want to get too aggressive with Hamza. But yeah, this car, man. This is the infamous car from Instagram. So we're about to go do a food vlog. So stay tuned. I think that car is faster than this one though. That car is wicked fast. We'll be careful though.
Tell your wife how you driving that car, man. She's gonna ground you from that car.
All right, so get some daylight shots of this Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. And it's cool that we got Courtney and Steve here, because Courtney inspired this car, and Steve is now taking it to the next level. Steve has took many of my cars to the next level already. Like the what's the biggest project we did?
The M4.
The M4, yeah. The M4 came out crazy too. M4 came out crazy. So y'all, we already talked about the mods he's playing for it. That wrap is called Silver Sunset or Sunset Silver by KPMF, or no? We're talking about the front end.
I was just looking at this in the garage. I'm like, this shit looks stealthy.
Yeah. She got a little, yeah, it grew on me. Yeah, I have to agree. They're talking about which front end you like better. The GTS front end grew on me, man. I like the GTS, but the tech art on this car looks crazy. All right, Steve got his tags. Okay. Rear end is practically the same. I don't know. This one looks a little different. I don't know what it is. It almost looks like it's wider. They're probably the same. No, they're actually a little different. Look at this. Look at how it's rounded right there. I don't know, it might be the same. It might be the same. The taillights are different. That's probably what it is. Look at the taillights. Yeah, he did. Steve, he's talking about the day I bought this car. He told me he'd buy it off of me, and he sure did. So, but yeah, if I had to recommend one, if you're trying to save some money and tune the car, then the platform, the 992.1. If you're trying to go for the gusto and have an even greater tuning platform once they start tuning the car, then the GTS. It's going to cost more money though, but I think the potential of that GTS is ridiculous. We're talking out the gate with 520 horsepower, but after a tune, it's probably going to be like 700 horsepower, which I think is a perfect amount of horsepower. So when they start tuning these, this is probably going to be the best 911 to tune in my estimation. That's my prediction. But up until right now, there's no tune for this. And as you guys could see, that Carrera T with the GTS turbos on it is faster than the stock GTS. So there you go. So you're thinking about joining my channel, or maybe if you haven't thought about joining my channel, maybe you should, because channel members on my channel get access to exclusive content with exclusive cars like this here Lamborghini Revuelto, like this here Ferrari F8, like this here behind me Lamborghini Huracan Technica, or even the Porsche almost said a new car that I have on the channel that you guys don't know about. But this Porsche 911 Carrera T, the RS3. All of the videos that I upload on this channel, my channel members get to see those videos first as soon as I push them out, and then they're released on a schedule. I already have about 10 videos lined up that only my channel members have access to. If you're considering joining my channel, now's a good time. I definitely will shout you guys out. I'll answer your questions in my live stream with priority. So hey, join my channel subscription through YouTube and get access to exclusive content just for you, and early access to content that I release on the channel, sometimes as early as 2 or 3 weeks in advance. So yeah, if you want the loose scoop, I got 2 cars that I haven't even released on the channel yet. So stay tuned, hit that join button. Hey, and join the exclusive section of our membership on the channel here on YouTube. Peace. Here with another video on how to turn $7,000 into over $100,000 in one single real estate investment transaction. You'll learn not only how to do flips, but also you'll learn the benefits of buying and holding and owning real estate for the long haul as rental property. So what do you do when you're interested in investing or spending money on something, or
spending time, energy, and money on something, you study.
You know what? I can buy these houses for cheap prices and then rent them out, make a profit on them, and then it'll just be another business.
So if you don't already own a home or own a house, you should buy a house that is a good house that will turn into a good investment. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we're talking about my advice on the #1 way for you to get started investing in real estate.
It's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Will Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Will Motivation and support Will. I'm supporting them. You do the same.